In October, San Francisco's One City, One Book featured Tamim Ansari's West of Kabul, East of New York. Tamim's next book, Destiny Disrupted, A History of the World Through Islamic Eyes, will be out this spring. Tamim has been a friend for over 30 years. A few days after 9/11, at a press conference, President Bush had said that he intended to bomb Afghanistan back to the Stone Age. And Tamim wrote an incredible email to a dozen of his friends, including myself, about the fact that Afghanistan was in the Stone Age. And he gave a perspective about Afghanistan that few people in this country was able to articulate. That email we all sent out to dozens and hundreds of other friends, went around the world. And within a matter of days, Tamim was on Ted Koppel, Oprah Winfrey, Nightline. I mean, a whole variety of things catapulted, into the spotlight. And I'm really delighted he's with us to teach on Islam. Tamim Ansari.
Thank you, Susan. Thank you all for being here. I hope I can get through this without coughing. I have a cough. But January 29th, I hope to be back in shape. This book that Susan mentioned, Destiny Disrupted, actually came out of a class that I taught at Ali starting maybe 5 years ago or so, and it was at the San Francisco Ali. What I gradually developed there was the idea of telling a story that started with Mesopotamia, the early river civilizations, and coming to basically 9/11, with the thesis that there's this whole other world history, which if you understand that the story of how we got here and now looks different from a different here and a different now, you'll understand something more about what's going on here. So I developed that over 4 years, taught it, wrote this book, and then I got the idea to approach this whole thing in a different way. Instead of up through time, kind of across through space. And so the course I'm going to teach is called Hotspots, and I thought of it as taking 6 places that are hot today and just untangling the situation there, differentiating the layers of the global story that's going on there, the 2 histories that are arguing, and then there's local stuff going on. And I thought of Afghanistan as one hotspot. I thought of Iran as another hotspot. I thought of Iraq as a third hotspot, Palestine, Israel, Egypt. And then, when you get that far along, you start to think, okay, Saudi Arabia, oh, what about North Africa? What about Islam in Europe? So there is a lot more hotspots than I can cover in 6 weeks. And in fact, what I decided to do when I taught this class one time so far in San Francisco is to devote the first of the sessions just to talking about, in a very brief form, that whole big story of the other history and how we got here. And then really 5 sessions on different areas of the world. I'll talk for a while and then we'll talk for a while. It'll be a conversation. As it worked out, it's the kind of conversation where I do most of the talking in San Francisco, and I'd rather have it develop a little bit differently with you guys. I'm going to hand you out a reading list and a little bit of a suggestion of some things to look at before we come to the class session. And then when we get there, I'll tell a story, and then we'll talk about what it looks like. So that's about it for me.